How to open a chess.com account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create chess.com account. So let's dive right into it. First, make sure that you have the app. After you install the app, open it up. After you open up the app, you will see the sign up option on the top right. Tap on sign up. And here you will see create your chess.com account. And now tap on sign up. Now you can sign up with your email or your Apple account or your Google account or even your Facebook. Now these three are the easiest way to sign up. So simply you can select the account that you want and sign up. Or else let us sign up with our email. Now simply type in your email here. And after you type in your email, tap on continue. Now you'll need to create an password. After you create a password, what you'll need to do is simply tap on continue. Let me change the password for now. Now after you tap on continue, simply wait for it and the account will get created. Now choose a username, and after you choose a username, tap on create account and you're basically good to go. Now choose which level of skill you have on chess. So tap on continue now and then choose a theme. Now I'll choose the wood one, and yeah, that is how you do it. So now you have created your account. So that is how you can create an account for chess.com, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.